Hello guys, hello, welcome to my channel. I am so happy again. I am always happy, and I am so excited that the number of subscribers is increasing every day. More people are watching my videos. Thank you guys, thank you for doing that. Thank you for following my channel, liking and subscribing. Today I've decided to upload a new video showing you how to get a free 50 rand welcome bonus on this sports betting website. So it's easy guys. To get started, simply visit my video description below and click on the link that you see there, and then you will land on this page guys. You will simply land on this page whereby you can create your new account, and after creating your new account you can simply log in, and then you will see your 50 rand is visible in the balance section. So guys, do not skip this video because you'll miss important updates. So watch it to the end so that you won't even miss important updates. First of all, after clicking the link in the video description, you will see this page. Simply click on the register red button above like this. First of all, you're going to select your title. If you are a man, select your Mr. or it's up to you. You can also write your first name, last name and your phone number. If you have an email, simply write your email address, your ID number and the date of birth. You can also write your username, password, also confirm your password and so on guys. So I want to explain here because this is very important. After selecting your province, simply select where it is written opt-in for 50 rand welcome bonus. You're going to select yes like this guys. After that, you skip the promo code because it is optional. So when they're asking for source of funds, you can simply select the salary, savings, pension, retirement fund, passive income, trust, third party or other. It's up to you guys. After that, you simply confirm. After confirming, you click on the register button below. But for me, I've already created my account on this site. There's no need to create a new account. After that, you simply log in by clicking the login key. Write your username and the password. Make sure that your username and password to save them, and after that you are ready to go. So guys, with this site you can bet, you can place any bet on any sport, you can choose any game that you want. This 50 rand is yours. It's a free bonus. After logging in, simply click on the three dots on the left corner. Simply click on the bonus tab. You will see a 50 rand on the free bets, and then simply transfer your free bets to free play by writing the amount here. You're gonna write 50 rand here, then you're going to convert. It's up to you whether you convert it to free bets or you convert it to free play. So guys, take this opportunity. This is a new promotion. Just take action and start making money now, not tomorrow, right now. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you.